The King of Iron had heard that Burble was one of the wisest men in the East, and desirous of meeting him sent an invitation to visit his country. In due course, Burble arrived in Iron. When he entered the palace, he was flabbergasted to find naught but 6 kings seated there. All looked alike. All were dressed in kingly robes. Who was the real king? The very next moment he got his answer. Confidently, he approached the king and bowed to him. "But how did you identify me?" the king asked, puzzled. Burble smiled and explained, "The false king were all looking at you, while you yourself looked straight ahead. Even in regal robes, the common people will always look to their king for support." Overjoyed, the king embraced Burble and showered him with gifts.